Hi, I'm Jenny McQueen, and I am the Program Coordinator for Future Science Leaders, and I also am the Director of Outreach for the Society for Canadian Women in Science and Technology. So I did an undergraduate degree in biochemistry, and during that time really found out that I really like studying small things and how life functions at a really basic level. So to me, what was fascinating was that all living organisms, cells have to reproduce. So I wanted to study how cells do that, how they make sure that they can divide. So I looked at yeast as a model organism because we can do so many neat things with yeast that we're not allowed to do with humans to try to understand and uncover these processes. Mentorship plays a huge role, and I think I was always seeking mentorship. I think my mother was probably my first mentor because she really fostered creativity. So when we were young, we were camping and playing and had pets, and I was given the baby hamsters that I was allowed to measure and weigh and keep notes on as they developed. So Mom definitely played a role in fostering that curiosity. And as I grew older, so maybe like pre-teen, I really wanted to be either an architect or a vet. And I found how do I try to decide between both of these? So I volunteered with both a vet and an architect, which was fantastic. I really enjoyed working with both of them. But it was sort of odd. Both of them were a bit grumbly adults, which I didn't understand. You know, a career that I was fantasizing about was this all-encompassing career that you just loved every bit of it. And it was a bit hard to realize that no career is perfect and every job has perhaps hurdles that you have to overcome. So not seeing either of those is a possibility because of potentially grumpy adults. I went on and did undergraduate work and then sort of fell into looking at cells and how they function and really enjoyed that. I think throughout a career, you look for mentors for different stages of your career and maybe different aspects of yourself or your job. So as a mentor, I try to do a lot of question asking and listening to try to find out what the student is looking for from me. I also try to deliver what might be a difficult part of the job while remembering how fantastic it is, all of the different elements of your job. Squist is a nonprofit that started in 1981, so I get to be 1 year older than that program, which is awesome. And they work to empower women in all stages of their science careers. So to engage youth, which is predominantly what I work with, in science fields, try to match them up with mentors, as well as supporting women as they're finishing undergrad, going through midlife, career changes. All of those steps along their career, we help support them.